Hi everyone, it's Clyde here from Better Financial Tomorrow. This week's client question is, what are some of the major costs when purchasing a property? Now there are three major costs that you have to think about when purchasing a property. The first one is stamp duty. The second is legal and conveyancing costs. And finally, the third is lender's mortgage insurance. Now you only pay lender's mortgage insurance if you borrow more than 80% of the purchase price. Now those three are the three major costs when it comes to purchasing a property. Now, if you need any help when it comes to your finances, whether it's home loans, financial advice, we would love the opportunity to assist. So please check out our website for our list of services, connect with us online, and we'd love to see you in the office soon. Bye-bye.